This is the first look iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max hands-on video leaked. Last week leaks image of the entire iPhone 16 series showcasing the alleged size differences between the Pro and non-Pro models. The image shows out the iPhone 16 Pro Max featuring a 6.9-inch panel. iPhone 16 Pro offer a 6.3-inch display. The iPhone 16 Plus will offer the same 6.7-inch and iPhone 16 with its 6.1-inch screen size as its predecessor. All four iPhone 16 series phones are also expected to offer slimmer display bezels. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, there will be a new vertical lens arrangement that does away with the diagonal arrangement which we last saw on the iPhone 12 back in 2020. iPhone 16 and 16 Plus gain the action button which made its debut on the 15 Pro models. Apple may also bring a new capture button to the entire 16 series. This will be a mechanical button with a capacitive surface that mimics the soft shutter buttons found on cameras. All four iPhone 16 series will launch with Apple's A18 Pro chip with AI, and alongside 8GB RAM. We recently got leaked battery capacities for the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 is sport a 3,561 mAh iPhone 16 Plus with a 4,006 mAh battery. iPhone 16 Pro is come with a 3,355 mAh. Then the Pro Max will have a 4,676 mAh battery. The iPhone 16 series still has a long way to go, as it is expected to launch somewhere around October 2024 as per Apple's regular timelines. I hope you guys like and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.